The Synchrony High Yield Savings account is a practical and efficient choice for anyone who wants to watch their savings grow without getting bogged down by annoying fees or requirements. Right away, its standout feature is the annual percentage yield, 3.80% APY, which is noticeably higher than what you'll find at many other banks, especially those big name traditional banks that barely pay you for parking your money. There's no need to worry about having a certain amount to open the account or keep it active since there's no minimum deposit or balance requirement at all. And as for monthly maintenance fees, there aren't any, which is a breath of fresh air for anyone tired of hidden or surprise charges nibbling away at their savings. Accessing your money is made pretty convenient. Synchrony offers an optional ATM card tied to the high yield savings account, and you can use it at any ATM displaying the Plus or Accel logos, both in the US and abroad. While Synchrony itself won't hit you with an ATM fee, it's common for the ATM owner or the bank running the machine to charge a fee. Synchrony helps offset this by refunding up to $5 in domestic ATM fees per statement cycle, making it easier for users who ever need quick cash. Beyond ATMs, moving money is hassle-free thanks to electronic transfers. You can link external accounts, transfer funds through their website or app, and you're not going to get charged just for taking your money in or out. When it comes to safety, every deposit is FDIC insured up to $250,000, which gives a layer of security that's important for anyone, especially those who are storing a larger chunk of their savings. The online and mobile experience is generally straightforward, offering basic spending and transaction tracking, so users can keep an eye on their money without any fuss. However, if you're someone who really likes to micromanage your savings by separating your money into multiple buckets or sub-accounts for specific goals, this account might feel a little bare bones. While there are savings calculators available on the Synchrony website, there aren't customizable sub-accounts or direct tools to help you track how close you are to specific savings targets. Another thing to keep in mind is that the 3.80% APY is variable. So although it's currently very competitive, it could change over time depending on the economy and bank policies. Also, checks aren't available with the high yield savings account, which might be an extra consideration for anyone who prefers to pay directly from savings by check. Overall, the Synchrony High Yield Savings account delivers a solid interest rate and true fee-free banking, which can make a big difference for anyone working towards financial goals or just looking to get more from their growing balance. It strips away the usual barriers, no minimums, no monthly fees, free ATM access within limits, so savers can focus on building wealth. At the same time, it's worth remembering the account doesn't have personalized savings tools and the interest rate can change. Still, for most people, the upsides far outweigh the cons, making this a strong, low-hassle option for maximizing savings while still being able to access funds whenever they're needed.